Stop it. Get some help.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be teaching you guys how to make a Twitch channel. If you don't mind opening up your web browser like I am here, we're going to be typing in www.twitch.tv. Once that loads up, give it a second. Now that it's loaded up, we're going to hit the top right box that says sign up. This is where we're going to fill in some information, starting with our username. This is what the username you will be seen as on your stream. This can always be changed, but keep in mind it is a bit of a process to be able to do that. Once that's finished, we're going to go and select a password. This has to be at least 8 characters long and at least have one number inside of it. Once you've selected the password, you do have to select a birth date, verify you are above the age, or at least alive. Unlike here, if you notice that I type in the wrong birth date, and obviously this is not available. Once you finish filling in your birthday, go ahead and fill in an email that you have access to or that is available to create a new Twitch account with. After you finish, go ahead and click the sign up button. Once you have completed that task and you have created your actual account, you're going to go to the top right corner, select settings, and pull up your settings page. This is just going to show you that it is important to set up your security and privacy. You definitely want to have two-step authentication as well as your email verified. This will help you down the road for affiliate and more important tasks as you continue to grow your Twitch career. Thank you guys for joining the video. If you guys really liked it, please leave a like on it. If you want to see more content like this or any of our other gaming content, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to be alerted when that new content does come out. I appreciate everything you guys have done. My name is Stuffy the Cow, and I will see you guys in the next video.